Here's one of the smart devices which I really like, the Xiaomi Mijia Smart Fan. Xiaomi has been improving on their product design and build quality. The fan feels really solid and sturdy. Motor is really quiet and the design looks slick and modern too. There are 4 simple buttons on the fan: power button, fan mode and speed, oscillation and timer. The fan is smart enabled. You can control more settings from its MiHome App. There's a stepless fan speed and oscillation angles that you can control in the app. What I really like is the oscillation function in the app. You can set the oscillation to 5 different angles, starting from 30 to 140 degrees. This function is so good. But I've got to warn you, the fan is pretty petite in size. It measures only 1 meter in height and is not adjustable. Xiaomi came out with another model that works the same. The only difference is that it comes with a built-in battery that makes it portable, but with a price tag that's almost doubled. Unless you really need to bring the fan all around, I think the Mijia Smart Fan fits just nice. So that's all for today. Goodbye!